If you're done with your adding the records to your physical file, come out from this session by pressing an F3 function key. And if you're done with your data entry, leave the value y as it is. And here you can see the list of records which you have added is 5, and there is no change records and there is no deleted records. Press an enter key. Now if you want to see the data in your physical file, as usual, type run query brackets emp. Okay, say this. We have all the values for an employee number except this fourth record. We haven't mentioned any value to this employee number, but system has used the default value for a numeric field is 0. Okay, so even if you leave the field as blank for character, in case if you have mentioned a character field as an key field, and if you have mentioned any value to the character key field, then system will consider that field as a blank. Okay, if any field is blank, it doesn't mean that it doesn't have any value. The blank is also considered as a value. Okay, so this is how it is. And one more thing is, now as per your DDS, currently you have only one key field mentioned as a unique. So in the file level you have mentioned the function as unique, and in the key field level you want to apply this unique functionality for an employee number field. There might be a cases where more than one field can be a unique. Okay, so that is called as a composite key. Okay, composite key means whenever you have more than one field was set as a key fields, then it called as an composite keys. Okay, see, forget about this unique functionality. Okay, if your file doesn't have any key fields, then how does the record fetch from your database file means it will use that record number as a sequence. Okay, it means read the first record and read the second record and read the third record and read the fourth record and so on. So based on the record number, system will try to fetch the data. Okay, only when you specify a key field over here, it means you want to fetch the data irrespective of, instead of using a record number, you want to fetch the data based on this key fields. Okay, in this case, instead of saying that record number 1, record number 2, then I can ask for okay, get me the record for an employee number 100, get me the record for an employee number blank or 0, like that. Okay, or else in SQL statements like a where conditions, in SQL statements we use a where conditions, right? So that where conditions acts like a key. You want to fetch the data based on a where conditions. Okay, where an employee number is equal to so on, and department is equal to some IT department, and if there is any uh, salary is greater than 10,000, and fetch those values. It means those values acts like a key field. Those values are keys to fetch the data from your database file. Okay, in a similar way, the fields which you have mentioned as a key field acts like a fields and where condition of your SQL statement. Okay, so do you understand what I'm saying here? Let me know if you got confused so that I can repeat the statement again. You can give a comments in case if you have any queries. I can see the comments over here.